Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change region in Once Human. First of all, launch open the Once Human game on your device, whichever device you are using, and make sure that you're inside this page. Once you're inside this main menu where you can select other scenarios from, go ahead and tap on the region button at the top right corner. Now from the switch region option, select the region you want to change to. After selecting it, click on confirm and then you'll be able to change the region in Once Human. The app should now reflect the new region's content, offers or features. So there you have it. That's how you can easily change your region in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.